This is how I'm surviving COVID-19, and I'm enjoying it so much, I wanted to share it with you. Chapter 2, the second day of our tour of my 20,000 daffodils. And now I'm out at the meadow. Yesterday I took you to the front of the house and down the driveway, and the meadow is populated with about 20 nesting boxes. I call them bluebird nesting boxes. The truth is I don't get bluebirds. Well, very seldom. But what I do get are these lovely flying torpedoes that are actually called tree swallows. And they're in decline, they're insectivores, and we need them. So I'm quite delighted by my mistake. So I didn't get bluebirds. I've got tree swallows. So here's what they call in reality television the reveal. It's my meadow. And I'm taking you on a walking tour of my east meadow. This is a native forest that I planted on the right of the screen 15 years ago with Brenda and Siglinda and Rudy, and it's maturing very nicely. That's what you get in 15 years from little seedlings. And here you can see I've got this wonderful road of daffodils, and they look quite different from the other ones because the 2 or 3 years that I planted this road of daffodils, I was planting different varieties than I had at the front of the house. So there's a lot of white, a lot of yellow, and I determined which varieties to plant by simply saying to my supplier, who was the home hardware supplier at the time, just send me daffodils that naturalize. And this is so important if you want to do this around your place. Daffodils will sometimes die after 4, 5, 6 years. They kind of decline, whereas my daffodils thrive from year to year to year. They really don't change. They get better, the clumps get bigger, and the truth is I actually have more than 20,000 daffodils. I had 20,000 daffodil bulbs. And what do I do to maintain them? Absolutely nothing. So there's an idea that I can commend to you. Plant daffodils in the fall, enjoy them in the spring. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of my daffodil garden in the East Meadow. Ben and Mark Cullen, markcullen.com.